Cooking zucchini is simple and versatile, so here are a few methods. Number one, sautéing. So the instructions are all in the description. You slice zucchinis into round or half moons. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add zucchinis and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until tender. Season with salt, pepper, herbs as desired. Now number two, it's roasting. Here are the instructions. You preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit, 220 Celsius. You cut the zucchini into wedges or into cubes. You toss the olive oil, salt, pepper, and any spices you like. And you spread on a baking sheet and roast for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden and tender. Or number three, you could grill. Slice zucchinis lengthwise into planks. Brush with olive oil and season. Grill for a medium heat, about 3 to 4 minutes per side, and you grill it until the marks appear and it's tender. Or you could steam. You cut zucchinis into chunks, place them in a steamer basket over boiling water. Cover and steam for about 5 to 7 minutes until tender, and you season after cooking. Or number five, you do zucchini noodles. You use a spiralizer to create noodles from zucchini, and you saute in a bit of olive oil for about 2-3 minutes until slightly softened, and then you add your favorite sauce. So feel free to experiment these combinations.